Hi, this is Carolyn Almendarez from carolynalmendarez.com. Spring is a wonderful time for rejuvenating your body, mind, and spirit. It is the perfect time to rebirth your soul to the good things you want in life. Here are some nature-inspired affirmations to help you revitalize your soul, rebirth your dreams, and recreate the life you desire and deserve. My life blossoms and blooms like the flowers in spring. I nurture my feelings garden. It is safe for me to feel and express myself. I flow through life like a summer breeze. Like the trees in the wind, I bend easily with change. I nurture and care for my body with fresh foods and quality sleep. I easily spring clean my life, releasing the old and no longer needed. I weed out my soul's garden so that the love in my heart can grow. I am free as the birds in the sky. I am refreshed, rejuvenated, and reborn. It is good to be alive. My life is warm and sunny. I am filled with the sunshine of happiness and love. The earth grounds and sustains me in life. I tend to the garden of my soul and grow feelings of love, joy, and abundance. Prosperity and abundance grow abundantly as I nurture and care for myself. Flowers of love grow abundantly in my heart. I sleep peacefully at night and wake rejuvenated and refreshed to enjoy the birth of a new day. I am at one with the earth, and the earth loves and sustains me. I am a beautiful creation of nature. I am worthy of all the love and joy in the universe. I am alive and at peace. How will you rejuvenate yourself this spring? Share in the comments below.